use of wayfinding. In this example, we have one screen where it is planned to have a full overview of all events in all meeting rooms. Additionally, we have 3 meeting rooms with one screen each. The meeting room screens shall show information about the events in the meeting room. Let's begin by creating a new wayfinding template for the lobby screen. Open the Templates tab from the Content Management panel and create a new template using the plus icon. Add a name, choose the correct format of the screen, and click Save. Open your new template from the template list and use the Settings option to set a background color or image for your new template. As this template will be used to show the meetings in the lobby, it will be given a large heading which is easy to see and easy to understand. For all text-based content, there is a large selection of fonts provided for you to use in your templates. In addition, you can easily adjust the font size, font color, and text placement as required. The next step is to add the automated wayfinding information. Select Add Item and choose Wayfinding from the Wayfinding and Meetings menu. A standard wayfinding list contains 5 rows of meetings. In the Content Management panel, you can adjust the rows according to your needs. And as there are only 3 meeting rooms in this example, let's change this to 3 rows. It is also possible to enable logos in the template. To fine-tune the template layout, simply drag and drop the content placeholder box to move the content item to its new position. Once you have completed the template design, remember to save your changes before you exit the editor. You may view a preview of the template in your browser by pressing the Preview button. This pop-up preview is an accurate representation of how the content will look when published to a signage screen. When creating templates for wayfinding, you're able to dynamically control when the template should be displayed. In this example, the template will only be shown if there are meetings booked within the next 2 hours. Now that you are happy that the template is looking great, you can save and exit the editor. The completed template is ready for use. However, let's also build the template for the meeting room screens, often called door signs. Create a new template using the plus icon. Add a name, choose the correct format of the screen, and click Save. Open your new template from the template list and use the Settings option to set a background color or image for your new template. Because we plan to use the same template for 3 door signs, we can use a neat solution here called Location Header, which we can find under the Wayfinding and Meetings menu. The location header will dynamically change to display the correct name of the room or location where the screen is placed. The next step is to add the automated meeting and events information. Select Add Item and choose Meeting and Events from the Wayfinding and Meetings menu. A standard list opens showing the now and next meeting placeholder. You may choose to remove the next event or to remove the event time if these are not needed. Once you have completed the template design, remember to save your changes before you exit the editor. You may view a preview of the template in your browser by pressing the Preview button. When creating templates for meetings and events, you're able to dynamically control when the template shall be displayed. In this example, the template will only be shown if there are meetings booked within the next 2 hours. Now that you are happy that the template is looking great, you can save and exit the editor. You now have 2 templates ready for use. First, let's drag and drop the wayfinding template onto the lobby screen and push this content live. Next, let's do the same with the door sign template and push this live to the meeting room screens. The displays are still shown as black, as there are no meetings booked in the calendar in the next 2 hours. Open the Events section to access the meeting room calendar. To add a new meeting, click the New Event link in the selected location. Then enter the name for the event and select a logo if needed. New logos can also be uploaded to this window. The start time and end time must also be set here. Repeat these steps for all of the meetings and events to be scheduled. Once done, we can see the 3 meeting rooms with 1 booking in each room. From the home screen, we can see a quick preview of how our templates look on the live screens. Starting with the lobby screen, we can see today's meetings showing clearly using the new template. Here you can see the 3 meetings, booked in 3 different meeting rooms, with clear directions to each meeting room location. Now let's take a look at the door sign screens located at the meeting rooms locations. The meeting room name is automatically generated and placed at the top of the screen. The name of the meeting, the logo, and the timings are placed on the screen according to the template.